to pay chess.com membership with cryptocurrency. To pay with a cryptocurrency, simply click on the crypto option on the payment screen, then click upgrade with crypto. This will take you to a new window where you can provide your chess.com username and email. This will ensure chess.com can locate your payment and apply your membership. Mark that it is very important that you put your chess.com username in the name field. After you have added your info, click Next and you will be taken to a new screen where you can choose which cryptocurrency to pay with. Click Pay with Coinbase to sign into Coinbase and pay from your Coinbase account. Or click on the cryptocurrency of your choice in order to pay directly to the chess.com wallet. Click on your chosen cryptocurrency and you will be shown the amount in that particular cryptocurrency and the address. Note: all cryptocurrency purchases use US prices. No matter what country you are purchasing from, we currently are only able to charge US prices for customers paying with cryptocurrencies. After you have paid, you have to allow up to 48 hours for the membership to be added, while chess.com process the payment at their end. Please note that currently, subscriptions purchased with cryptocurrencies do not renew. If you want to pay monthly, you will need to make your payment manually each month. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.